It's showtime. But fuck that line, my niggas need more commissary. They asking about the war, we ready. Say something about the gang, they heavy. Family it up, smack a Hennessy cup. Out of obvious duck, nigga. Brains on your bitch, butt can't duck, nigga. Still real. Listen to L, still give me the chills. I know you hear me, cuz. Still trying to get to the mills. Thoughts of John in every ball. My comp can nail. Especially when you talking about this Worcester shit. You hear it? I'm clearing the air. I was gone for some years, then for some more shit, but I always stay fierce. Precinct, bullpen, cell, Otisville, all in that order, that fast, that ill. Picture me been a whole while about my mails. The same time X and LOX got they deals. Yeah, little nigga, yeah, little nigga, but I got the heart of a dinosaur, nigga. What? It's Worcester, bitch. Can't stress it enough. Don't pass the buck. They calling my bluff. I'm fucking them up.
Keep going.
The deal, sober high, I still fail. Y'all bitch niggas ain't for real. I'm from the hill. Let them peel. I changed the whole atmosphere. Y'all ain't never gotta bundle up. 16 be running up. Be like that coming up. Be the first to buck or lose your motherfucking guts for a buck or some slut. Crazy niggas like what? When the hood got them stuck, never getting them fuck. I'm mobbing them up, nigga. This that life. Will be fuck, get money and bang with 2 strikes. Deeper in the streets of some rats pussy. Deeper in your family and caskets, definitely. Thing 2 strain youth, y'all ain't letting me be. I'm doing what the fuck I want till a nigga dusts me off. And he better have a lot more shots in his foe. I had them G's automatically revolving his door. This the war.
Let them know what you rap. Let them know what it is. Let them know the label.
Rep that we want in. I rep that Gladiator gang.
Yes.
Nigga.
What else?
Go
it is.
Never
lock down, nigga. That's it.
J, nigga, never lock down. Make them pay. What up?
Let's go.
That's what it is.
Let's go.
I'm out here doing what the fuck I do right now.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah.